Today I'm going to teach you how to give readers a direct Amazon review link. This is incredibly useful if you're sharing product recommendations and want your audience to quickly see what others think without having to hunt for the reviews themselves. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the features properly. Now, let's find the product you want to share reviews for. Click on the search bar at the top of the page and type in the product you're looking for, then hit enter. Amazon will display a list of results matching your search query. Browse through these results and click on the specific product or item you want to work with. This will take you to the product's main page where you can see all the details, images, and purchasing options. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll find the customer reviews section, which typically shows a few highlighted reviews along with the overall rating. Look for the option that says See More Reviews and click on it. This will redirect you to a dedicated page showing all the customer reviews for that product. This is the exact page you want to share with your readers as it gives them immediate access to all the feedback and ratings. Now comes the important part. Look at the very top of your browser where the address bar is located. You'll see the full URL displayed there. Highlight this entire URL by clicking at the beginning and dragging to the end, making sure you've selected everything. Once it's highlighted, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or alternatively, you can right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the menu that appears. And there you have it. You now have the direct link to the Amazon review page, copied and ready to share. You can paste this link into emails, blog posts, social media, or anywhere else you want to direct your readers straight to the reviews. This saves them time and makes it easier for them to make informed purchasing decisions based on real customer feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.